So today I'm going to address the question, what are some common soldering certifications? That is, soldering circuit boards, the electronics manufacturing, which is very big in Huntsville. The most recognized ones, especially for electronics manufacturing, are the IPC-J standard. That's IPC-J-STD-001. It covers electrical and electronic assemblies. This is the industry standard for most defense/aerospace manufacturers like Sanmina, BAE, Lockheed. That's what they look for mainly. There's the IPC-A-610, focuses on acceptability of electronic assemblies, inspection criteria rather than hands-on soldering, but often paired with J standard training. Third, we have the IPC 7711/7721, and that covers rework, repair, and modification of electronic assemblies. Then there's the NASA standard 8739.3, required for aerospace spaceflight hardware, more specialized and typically needed if working on NASA-related contracts. NASA-related contracts. Then there's MIL spec certifications such as MIL Standard 2000, which are less common now since IPC standards have largely replaced them, but some older defense contracts still reference them. Now for your situation, or for my situation, J standard is the one to prioritize. If you're working starting off with Sanmina or Nextech over in Madison. It's the baseline most employers in Huntsville defense/electronics sector expect, and having it along with IPC A610 familiarity makes you a stronger candidate right out of the gate. Training is offered through IPC certified trainers, and some community colleges or technical schools in the Huntsville area may offer courses too.